Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 191. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 9 here, so 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 9. That 2 makes this our 7, 2. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 covering here and a 3 covering here, so our 3 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 5, and I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 7, and no help here. 1, 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got the 1 covering these 2 boxes, so 2, 5, 2, 5. And that means that our 1 has to be here. And that makes this our 5. So with that 1, we can get rid of this 1. And with that 5, we can get rid of this 5 and this 5. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 8, 2. And then I don't see any other help in that row. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 3, 1. For this row now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 7 here, so 4, 7. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 4. 1 here, so 9, 1, and that 1 makes this our 4. For this column now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 9, 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 8. We've got 6 here, so 2, 5, 8. 2, 6, and 8 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 2, 8, 6, and that 2 makes this our 5. For this box now, we're only missing a 7, and that 7 makes this our 5, 7. For this top row now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 2 covering this box and a 2 covering this box, so our 2 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. That 8 makes this our 1, 8. That 1 makes this our 5, 1. And for this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 1 here, so 9 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.